biggest day of your life. Subscribe. Star Wars Galaxy is about to open. Listen.
This is unreal.
This is amazing. Look at this crowd. Oh. Star Wars Galaxy is now open to the public in Disneyland and in California, guys. Look at this crowd. It's so big. Just to get into Star Wars Galaxy. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. YouTubers, are you ready for this? Are you ready? If you're a Star Wars fan, this is epic. If you guys love my videos, subscribe, hit that bell button, leave a comment down below, saying your best and your favorite cool, wicked, awesome, anything you want, guys. Look at this stuff. Look at this. Look at the crowd. It's so huge. Look at it. It's like just for Star Wars alone. Wow, they must have like shut down Disneyland behind. It's just amazing, guys. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that building right there. Look at the stuff. Look at the rocks. Look at all the crowd behind us. Wow, guys. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Whoa. There's all the people who helped me create this big, huge Star Wars Galaxy. All these people right here. Great, great, great. These people helped create it all, guys. If it wasn't for them, we would have no Star Wars Galaxy. Take a look at this big. Oh, look at this, guys. Yes, high fives, high fives. Yes, yes, yes. Guys, oh, man. Wow. Oh, guys. Okay, you know these videos. Like I always say, subscribe, hit that bell button, leave a comment down below. Peace out, peace out. Take care. Love you all. Subscribe. Hope you. Whoa, look at that. Enjoy. Peace, YouTubers. May the force be with you. Peace. Subscribe.